Thinking through, mastering a crucial English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, thinking through. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to make your learning journey easier and more enjoyable. Thinking through is a phrasal verb that combines thinking with the preposition through. It means carefully considering all aspects of a situation or problem before making a decision or forming an opinion. This phrase implies a thorough and detailed thought process. It's not just about thinking, but thinking with depth and clarity. This phrase is often used in scenarios requiring decision-making or problem-solving. For instance, 1. In business, our team is thinking through the proposal to ensure it aligns with our goals. 2. Personal decisions. I need to think through my career options before making a choice. 3. Academic contexts. Students should think through their answers before submitting the test. Remember, using thinking through suggests that you're not making a hasty decision, you're giving it careful and serious consideration. Don't confuse thinking through with just thinking. Thinking through involves a deeper level of thought. Avoid using it in contexts where quick, superficial thinking is involved. It's best suited for situations that require detailed analysis. Let's practice with a few sentences. 1. Before agreeing to the plan, I need to think through the potential risks and benefits. 2. She spent the weekend thinking through her options before deciding to move abroad. Try creating your own sentences using thinking through to solidify your understanding. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, thinking through. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to think through your decisions in life. See you in our next video.